Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be doing the engine air filter in a Toyota Prius C. This is for these years right here on the screen, and I did grab this from AutoZone. You guys can also pick it up on Amazon. There's going to be a link in the description down below. Have it come straight to your house, super quick, super easy, or you can just run to the store and grab it. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for the engine air filter, when you come into the engine bay right here, you're going to notice this little box. There's this little clipper here, which you're going to flip back. There's this one right there that you flip back, and then you can literally just lift up this whole thing. It just kind of wiggles out. There are a couple tabs that stick out in the back, so you're just going to have to pull it forward and then up. And right here, you can pull out the old filter, which there that is. And now you can go ahead and grab the new filter, which looks so much nicer, and just slide this right into place. And then make sure you hook that back in on the backside, set it into place. All right, and then just flip the little clips back up into place. And it is literally that easy. All right, so I really hope that video did help you guys out. It's super quick, super easy. But if you guys did like the video, definitely get out, hit the like button. Like I said, there's gonna be a link in the description down below. Pick it up on Amazon. But like I said, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.